Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, we're going to draw and color Pocoyo playing football. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw Pocoyo's face starting with his eyes. Then, I'll add his nose and his cheerful, open mouth. Next, let's draw his hat like this. Now, I'll sketch his body and add both of his arms. Then, I'll draw his legs and his hands. Let's add a football at his feet. Finally, I'll draw a goal just like this. Now, I'll use a black marker to make the drawing clearer. Time to color. First, I'll use sky blue to color his hat. His clothes will also be sky blue. Now for some colors: red, yellow, and cream for his skin. I'll use gray to color the goal. Now, we're going to draw and color Pocoyo winking, looking super cool. Let's get started. First, I'll draw his winking eyes. Then, I'll add his little nose and smiling mouth. Next, let's draw his hand like this. On his head, I'll add a hat and a cool pair of sunglasses. Around his neck, I'll draw a stylish necklace. Now, I'll sketch the rest of Pocoyo's body. Time to color. First, I'll use red for his sunglasses. Then, I'll color his mouth and necklace like this. His hat will be sky blue, just like his suit. For his skin, I'll use cream. And our drawing is almost finished. Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Goodbye!